What makes black box AI hard to govern in autonomous systems? Imagine a car driving itself, making split-second decisions without anyone fully understanding how it chose to brake or turn. That's the challenge with black box artificial intelligence in autonomous systems. These systems use complex neural networks that learn from vast amounts of data, but their decision-making process isn't clear or easy to follow. This lack of transparency creates big hurdles for governing and regulating these technologies. Black box AI means even the people who build these systems may not know exactly how they work. Unlike traditional software, where you can see each line of code, black box AI decisions come from intricate patterns in data that are not directly interpretable. This makes it tough to explain why a system made a specific choice, especially when something goes wrong. One major issue is transparency. Regulators and developers need to understand how decisions are made to ensure safety and fairness. If an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, investigators can't easily trace the cause because the AI's reasoning isn't clear. This makes assigning responsibility difficult and complicates efforts to improve safety standards. Bias is another problem. AI learns from data that can contain human biases or societal inequalities. In a black box system, these biases might be hidden, making it hard to detect or fix unfair treatment. For example, a hiring AI might favor certain groups without anyone realizing it, risking discrimination and legal violations. Security and privacy are also affected. Autonomous systems often process sensitive personal data. If the AI is a black box, it's harder to verify that data is handled securely or that privacy laws are followed. When data breaches happen, it's difficult to audit the system's operations or prove compliance to authorities. Accountability becomes murky with black box AI. When decisions have serious consequences, it's important to know who is responsible. But with these systems, responsibility can be spread across developers, operators, and the data used to train the AI. This ambiguity makes it hard to hold anyone accountable or create effective oversight. In sectors like finance, healthcare, and transportation, regulators are pushing for AI to be explainable and auditable. The European Union's Artificial Intelligence Act, for example, requires high-risk AI systems to be transparent and overseen by humans. But many advanced autonomous systems relying on black box models because they perform better, creating a tension between innovation and regulation. In military applications, black box AI raises even more concerns. When targeting systems make decisions without clear reasoning, it's difficult to ensure they follow international laws that protect civilians and requiring clear accountability. If the reasoning behind a targeting decision can't be examined, compliance with legal and ethical standards becomes nearly impossible. Some organizations are working on explainable AI, which aims to make decisions more understandable. But these solutions often involve trade-offs, like sacrificing some accuracy for transparency. To address these issues, governance must combine technical solutions with organizational policies, such as requiring human oversight for critical decisions and establishing clear lines of responsibility. Overall, governing black box AI in autonomous systems is a complex challenge. It involves balancing the benefits of powerful AI with the need for transparency, fairness, and accountability. As AI technology advances, updating legal frameworks and developing better interpretability tools will be key to making these systems safer and more trustworthy. Until then, managing black box AI remains an ongoing and evolving task in the world of AI regulation and governance.